Jungle Navigation Skipper Canteen, which is a place on my wish list that I've been wanting to eat since they opened it. And we have checked in for our reservation. You check in over there at the desk, and then you come and sit in this little area. These big chairs. There's the kids. And they actually said they're going to text me when our table is ready. I guess they're assuming everyone gets texts. We will let you know more to come. Inside now, and I'm a little bummed because I wanted to be in the other room, the Society of Explorers and Adventurers room. I might walk in there just to peek at it, and then we're in the crew mess hall, they said this is. The atmosphere is cool. It's kind of loud in here. We had a little trouble hearing our server. And yeah, Megan ordered the Taste Like Chicken because it is. I ordered the vegetable crew stew or something like that. Ben ordered chicken off the kids menu. We're very hot.
It's not pointing
Oh,
away.
whoops. I'm sorry. We're very hot, and so we're thirsty. Look how much water I drank already, and we just got here. It's a lot hotter and humid, more humid today than we were expecting, and it was supposed to rain and it never did, so I think that's part of it. After this, we're actually going to leave the park and go ride the monorail around and maybe check out some of the deluxe resorts. We'll show you our food when it comes. Megan's Tastes Like Chicken because it is. It's very dark in here.
Yeah.
It's like chicken and veggies and rice with some kind of sauce.
Barbecue sauce, probably.
Here's mine. I'm not gonna eat that bread. Our table is wild. We have rice and stew. And Ben has chicken, broccoli, barbecue sauce, and here's his volcano. Hi. We'll be back to tell you how we like it. Okay, this was very good. It was very filling. I'm super full. It was pretty spicy.
Yeah.
But it was very good. It was just vegetables and rice in like a curry sauce. Megan, it doesn't look like she ate much, but the chicken was very huge
And thick.
and she also ate a bunch of my bread that came with mine because I didn't. And she said she tried some of Ben's chicken. She said his chicken, like nugget things that came with his, were.
I liked the spicing better on those, though the meat was better on the chicken I got.
Ben, how did you
Wow.
like your?
Good.
Good. And now he's eating his volcano. He bit some of this, but it was really hard. And what is it, baby? Basically just like chocolate cake or?
Yeah, it's really dark.
And we've noticed these little chocolate crunchy beads. They seem to have everywhere here. Where else did we get those?
Be our guest.
Be our guest at lunch today.
We want our cupcakes.
And now we're waiting to order. Are you getting dessert? We're waiting to order dessert.
What you guys are?
A couple of additional observations. Our table is very wobbly.
My feet on it still.
The service is kind of slow and inattentive. And the dishes are the same as at Skipper Canteen in Animal Kingdom. So apparently if you eat someplace with S something canteen, these are the dishes you get. Green, odd shaped with a brown edge. That's just what you get at these canteen places. The dessert menu, and we're looking at, okay, there's hot beverages. They got the cute little elephants from the ride. Here's the desserts. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you guys the whole menu. And then on the back it says backside of menu. Because Ben goes, look on the back. Is there anything on the back? Yep, the backside of the menu. I got the, what did I get?
Oh, never mind. There's spoons here.
I got some kind of coconut isn't it
bar.
coconut bar? Isn't it pretty?
Has like the twirly
It's
chocolate thing.
pretty. And Megan got the kungaloosh without the bananas. Apparently sometimes it comes with some kind of banana topping, and she didn't want that. They're so dainty and cute. They come on these, I mean, this is my hand. They come on these huge plates.
Probably for extra space.
This was good. It was very tart. It wasn't my favorite. I liked the texture, but it was a little bit too lemony for me. Yeah, I left a little bit. Megan, how was yours?
The kungaloosh was absolutely delicious. It was basically just a rich brownie with a scoop of coffee, ice cream, whipped cream, and then some nuts, and coffee drizzling on top.
Hey. One thing I don't care for here, it's really dark in here. Like, I can hardly see Megan across the table. It's really dark in here, and the service is pretty slow. I mean, we've been here an hour and 15 minutes, and I mean, that's not terrible, but I just feel like, I don't know, she's done everything we've asked, but she's a little hard to hear. She's quiet, and I don't know, it's okay. I'm glad we tried it. Would we come here again?
I think so.
Yeah, we'd probably come again, but it may be, if it's full, I'm not going to be sad.
We can make a wildfire getaway.